The following is a demonstration of how to search the table. In this example, we are looking for CEC programs that focus on air as a media. So first, you're going to go to column F, which is monitoring media, and you're going to click on the drop-down menu. All right, so here you see on the drop-down menu all the media. All right, so what we're going to do is we could either click air or we could write air in the box. So what we're going to do is we're going to click air. We're going to remove the select all function. We're just going to have air, select all air programs, and apply. All right, so what we have currently on our table, we have two programs that deal with air as a media. The first one, California, is for pesticides in the air. The second one, Minnesota, is for the PFAS monitoring plan in the air. And then if you want to get back to the main table, you click again on the drop-down box and you click clear filter for monitoring media. And here you go, you got the table back. So another interesting thing that I wanted to show you on the table that could be useful is the web links in column J. Each web link gives further information on each of the programs for each of the organizations listed in column A. So for example, the Association of State and Territorial Solid Waste Management Programs, ASWAMO, has a website, which we're going to go on now. And it's how to develop a state-led contaminant of emerging concern program. So here we go. And then you can just click off of it and get back to the main table.